Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Dropshipping business, launching your own e-commerce store. If you are interested in starting your own online business with minimal upfront cost, dropshipping can be a great option. In this video we will guide you through the process of launching your own e-commerce store using the dropshipping model. So let's get started. Understanding dropshipping. To begin, let's understand the concept of dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products on your online store without having to keep inventory. When a customer places an order, you forward the order details to the supplier or manufacturer, who then ships the products directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for warehousing, inventory management, and order fulfillment on your end. Choosing a profitable niche. The first step in launching your dropshipping business is selecting a profitable niche. Identify a niche market that you are passionate about and has a demand for products. Research the market, competition, and trends to ensure its profitability. Consider factors such as product appeal, target audience, and profit margins. Remember, a well-defined niche allows you to target your marketing efforts effectively. Identifying reliable suppliers. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial for a successful dropshipping business. Look for suppliers or manufacturers who offer quality products, competitive pricing, and efficient shipping. Research and compare different suppliers to find the ones that meet your requirements. Consider factors such as product quality, shipping times, return policies, and customer support. Building strong relationship with your suppliers is key to maintaining a smooth operation. Setting up your e-commerce store. Next, it's time to set up your e-commerce store. Choose a platform that suits your needs such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Select an appealing design theme and customize it to reflect your brand. Ensure your store is user-friendly with clear navigation, product categories, and a secure payment system. Optimize your product pages with engaging descriptions, high-quality images, and customer reviews. Product sourcing and listing. Once your store is set up, it's time to source and list products. Connect with your chosen suppliers and import their product catalogs into your store. Select products that align with your niche and target audience. Write compelling product descriptions, highlighting key features and benefits. Use high-quality product images and videos to showcase the items effectively. Ensure your pricing allows for a competitive margin while covering your cost. Marketing your e-commerce store. Effective marketing is essential to drive traffic and sales to your e-commerce store. Utilize various marketing channels to reach your target audience. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to rank higher in search engine results. Use social media platforms to engage with your audience and promote your products. Consider paid advertising options such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads to increase visibility. Managing orders and customer service. As orders start coming in, it's crucial to manage them efficiently and provide excellent customer service. Set up systems to automatically forward orders to your suppliers and track shipping information. Communicate with your customers promptly, providing order updates and addressing any concerns. Aim to exceed customer expectations with fast shipping, hassle-free return, and responsive customer support. Analyzing performance and scaling. Regularly analyze the performance of your dropshipping business to identify areas for improvement and growth. Track your skills, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Use analytics tools to gain insights into your marketing efforts and customer behavior. Continuously optimize your store, product selection, and marketing strategies based on the data you collect. As your business grows, consider scaling by expanding your product range or targeting new markets. Congratulations, you have learned the process of launching your own e-commerce store using the dropshipping business model. Remember, choose a profitable niche, find reliable suppliers, set up your store, source and list product, market effectively, provide excellent customer service, and analyze and scale your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.